Welcome back to Car Gear. Today, we've got something truly thrilling, a full review of the 2025 BMW M4. Whether you're a die-hard BMW fan, a performance enthusiast, or someone just curious about what's new this year, you're going to want to stick around for this one. This is not just a car, it's a driving experience, and in this video, we're breaking down every detail you need to know. Let's start with the first impression. The 2025 BMW M4 arrives with a refreshed, yet aggressive exterior design that grabs your attention instantly. It's a coupe that screams performance even before you hit the ignition. At the front, the bold kidney grills are still here. Love them or hate them, they've become a signature feature. For 2025, the grill's inner mesh has been refined with a more aggressive honeycomb pattern, and BMW has integrated slimmer, more focused LED laser headlights, which now come standard across all trims. The bumper design is more sculpted and functional than ever before, featuring active air flaps and larger vents for better cooling. Along the sides, the aerodynamic lines glide effortlessly from front to rear, and the carbon fiber roof adds both visual appeal and weight savings. Flush door handles and new M-specific wheels, available in either 19-inch front and 20-inch rear combinations, enhance its track-ready look. Around the back, the quad exhaust pipes remain an iconic touch, surrounded by a reworked diffuser for better downforce. There's also a new rear light signature that gives the car a futuristic glow when you unlock it. Now step inside the cabin, and you're greeted with an interior that perfectly blends motorsport inspiration with modern tech luxury. The first thing you notice is the curved display. A massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster seamlessly connects to a 14.9-inch central infotainment screen. It runs BMW's iDrive 8.5, which is faster, smoother, and more intuitive. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 5G connectivity system are all included. Voice control is more responsive, and the interface now features customizable widgets for a more personal touch. The seats are something special. Standard sports seats offer excellent lateral support, but if you're going for the full M experience, the optional M carbon bucket seats are a must. They're lighter, firmer, and surprisingly comfortable for daily use. The materials throughout the cabin are premium. Alcantara, merino leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum trims dominate the space. Ambient lighting adds mood, and BMW's new, iconic sound system creates a rich engineered soundtrack in the cabin if you're into that kind of thing. There's more practicality than you might expect in a performance coupe. Rear seats are usable for short trips or kids, and the trunk offers 15.5 cubic feet of space, enough for a couple of weekend bags or even a golf set. Rear visibility is decent, and BMW's driver assist features, including blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automated parking, make this M4 as easy to live with as it is thrilling to drive. Now, the heart of the M4, performance. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.0-litre twin-turbo inline-six engine. The base M4 coupe puts out 473 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission, a rare treat in 2025. It hits 0-60 mph in about 4.1 seconds. But for those who want more punch, the M4 competition is where things get serious. With 503 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, it rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds. You can choose between rear wheel, drive, and X-Drive all-wheel drive, giving you control over the kind of handling you prefer. For 2025, BMW has fine-tuned the suspension setup and steering calibration. The result? Even better cornering precision, reduced body roll, and more confidence when pushing the limits. The adaptive M suspension works wonders on twisty roads and racetracks alike, adjusting on the fly to suit your driving style. Braking is handled by massive M compound brakes with 6-piston calipers up front and 4 at the rear, providing fade-free stopping power. Carbon ceramic brakes are available as an option if you plan to do serious track days. Handling is razor sharp. Whether you're carving up mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the 2025 M4 feels planted, composed, and alive. The steering is direct with excellent feedback, and the various drive modes, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and Track, transform the car's behavior dramatically. In Comfort, it's a competent Grand Tourer. Switch to Track, and it turns into a beast. Throttle response sharpens, suspension stiffens, and the exhaust snarls louder than ever. Now let's talk numbers. The 2025 BMW M4 base model starts at around $80,000, while the M4 competition comes in at roughly $85,000 for rear-wheel drive and about $89,000 for the X-Drive version. Fully loaded with carbon seats, ceramic brakes, premium sound, and all the options, you could be looking at a price tag close to $105,000. Yes, it's expensive, but considering the performance, build quality, and tech features, it still offers a solid value in the high-performance coupe segment. Fuel economy? Well, you're not buying an M4 for its efficiency, but you can expect around 16 mpg city and 23 mpg highway for the competition model, slightly better for the manual base version. BMW includes complimentary scheduled maintenance for the first 3 years, or 36,000 miles, which sweetens the deal a bit. Who is the 2025 M4 for? It's for someone who wants a car that can thrill you on the track and still take you to dinner in style. It's refined, powerful, loaded with tech, and surprisingly versatile. Yes, there are competitors like the Audi RS5, Mercedes-AMG C63, and even the Porsche Cayman GTS. But the M4's blend of raw performance, everyday usability, and rich driving dynamics keeps it in a league of its own. BMW has managed to preserve the core DNA of the M4, that motorsport spirit, while elevating it to new heights of technology and luxury. It's a car that feels connected to both its heritage and the future. Whether you're shifting gears yourself or letting the automatic handle it, whether you're blasting down a back road or sitting in traffic, the M4 never stops reminding you that it's something special. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Gear,